A very good morning, children. Welcome to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Vijayalakshmi, your maths teacher. Children, in the previous class, you have learned about numbers, the concept of zero, and also the numbers before, after, and between. Today, let us learn how to compare the numbers. Children, you have already learned in the pre-number concept more and less, isn't it? So using this concept, we will learn to compare the numbers. Also, in this class, we will learn to order the numbers from the smallest to the biggest and biggest to the smallest. So, shall we go and learn, children? I hope you are very ready for that. Okay, let us learn to compare numbers. Before that, let us remember the pre-number concept more and less which we learned in the first chapter. I hope you remember that, children. Okay. Now here are two sets of balloons. Let us count the number of balloons in each set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 balloons. And in the other set, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So which is more, children? Yes, the set with 7 balloons is more, isn't it, children? Okay, so we can say that the number 7 is more than the number 5. And we can also say that the number 5 is less than the number 7. Let us do one more example, children. Yes. Look at the stars in each set. Let us count the number of stars in each set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And in the other set, 1, 2 and 3. So, which is greater, children? Yes, the number of stars with 6 numbers is greater, isn't it? Okay, so we can say that the number 6 is more than 3 and the number 3 is less than the number 6. Okay, children, this is how we compare the numbers. Now let us order or arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest and biggest to smallest. This is called the ordering of numbers. First let us see how to arrange numbers from smallest to biggest. Let us take a look at the 3 sets of butterflies here. The first set has 3 butterflies. The second set has 4 butterflies. And the third set has 7 butterflies. So, we can see that the number 3, 4 and 7 are arranged from smallest to biggest. Now look at the 3 sets of flowers. Yes, the first set has 7 flowers. The second set has 4 flowers. And the third set has 2 flowers. We can see that the number 7, 4 and 2 are arranged or ordered from the biggest to the smallest. So, in this way, we can arrange numbers from biggest to smallest and smallest to biggest. Let us do some problems. Let us learn how to write from smallest to the biggest. Now in the first set we have 3 digits 0, 8 and 6. How will we arrange this from small to big? First we will choose the smallest number. Which is the smallest number? 0. Yes, right. Next 6. Then 8. Okay, so we have arranged the number from smallest to the biggest. Now let us see another example. 3, 8 and 7. Which is the smallest? Yes, 3 is the smallest. Next, Yes, 7 is the smallest. And 8. Yes. So you have learned to write the numbers from smallest to the biggest, isn't it? So now let us write the numbers from biggest to the smallest. Now the first set has the numbers 2, 8 and 6. So which is the biggest here? 8. Next 6. Then 2. Next set of numbers 1, 3 and 8. Which is the biggest? Again 8 is the biggest. Next one 3. And the last one 1. So you have learned how to write the numbers from biggest to the smallest also. So children, I hope you have understood how to write the numbers from biggest to the smallest and smallest to the biggest. So children, today you have learned how to compare the numbers using the concept more and less, isn't it? Practice more problems on that, children. Also, you have learned how to write the numbers from the smallest to the biggest and biggest to smallest. Go through the YouTube video, write down the notes and also answer the question that I have given. See you again in the next class. Until then, goodbye. Stay safe, stay home.